Do you see me? Hello! Welcome to the channel Lady M Art. Today I will show you new painting technique. All we know that Halloween is coming soon, and this is a great time for festive art. Today I will learn you how easy paint Jack Skellington from the Nightmare Before Christmas cartoon. So let's start! So, dear friend, we have got a picture for a festive Halloween. Write in a comment your favorite cartoons that you associate with Halloween. Don't forget about subscribe and like this video. Also, I will have a new show soon. I wish you creative success and see you soon.